Last 5 seconds. Ready, start. I agree. I agree with. I am. I am able to. I am afraid. I am also. I am aware. I am certain that you will. I am concerned. I am convinced. I am dear sir. I am extremely sorry. I am free. I am going to speak to you. I am gratified. I am greatly. I am in doubt. I am instructed. I am most. I am never. I am not. I am not quite sure. I am persuaded. I am pleased. I am quite sure. I am ready. I am sorry. I am sorry to say. I am therefore. I am told. I am truly. I am very sorry. I am yours truly. I assure you. I became. I become. I believe. I bequeath. I beseech you. I call, I can assure you, I can never, I cannot expect, I consider, I could not have, I dare not. I desire, I do not say, I do not see, I do not think that, I do not wish it to be, I feel sure, I gave, I have no objection, I have suggested, I have the honor to remain, I hope there will be, I intended, I know nothing, I know there is, I like, I may say, I mentioned, I must not be, I must now, I must take, I need hardly say, I need not say, I observed, I presume, I propose, I purpose, I referred, I remember, I see no objection, I shall never, I shall take, I shall therefore. I speak, I spoke, I suppose, I take this, I tell him, I thank, I think so, I think that we, I thought that, I told him, I took, I trust you will. I understood, I want, I was never, I was there, I was under the impression, I will endeavor, I will tell you, I wish it were not. I would like to know if convenient, if he can, if he has been, if he were, if he would, if his, if it become, if it did not, if it has, if it is never, if it has never, if it is found, if it please, if it possibly, if it prove, if it was, if it were, if it would, if necessary, if only, if possible, if it would, if necessary, if only, if possible, if that is not the case, if that is possible, if that matter, if the present, if there is one, if there is one thing, if there were, if therefore, if they had, if they must be, if this country, if this gentleman, if this is the case, if those who are, if we are, if we believe, if we have been, if we may, if we take, if we understand, if you are successful, if you like, if you mean, if you please, if you require, if you would, in a day or two, in a few days, in a large number of cases, in a month's time, in a position, in accordance with, in addition to the, in all cases, in all matters, in all parts of the country, in all probability, in another case, in another sense, in another world, in any affair, in any case, in any instance, in any position, in any respect, in any situation, in any station, in any way, in appearance, in as far as, in behalf, in charge, in the circumstances, in comparison with that, in conclusion, in conformity with, in connection with there, in contempt, in the course of, in effect, in every way, in favor, in him, in this, in his, in his account, in his behalf, in his case, in his day, in his face, in his hands, in his interest, in his opinion, in his own case, in his own interest, in his own way, in his own words, in his own situation, in his station, in his time, in his time, in it, in its own, in its place, in judgment, in many cases, in me, in mine, in more, in most cases, in my own, in 9 cases out of 10, in no case, in one form or another, in one word, in order that, in order to, in other direction, in other places, in other respects, in other ways, in other words, in our opinion, in person, in place of the, in possession, in questions, in reality, in regard to that, in regard to this subject, in relations to the in reply to the in some cases, in some countries, in some respects, in some way, in spite of the fact, in succession, in such matters, in such places, in that day, in that direction, in that matter, in that way, in the count, in the case of, in the circumstances, in the city of God, in the conviction, in the country, in the course of, in the dark, in the direction, in the early part of, in the event of, in the first place, in the house, in the land, in the manner of, in the matter of, in the meantime, in the morning, in the name of, in the nature of things, in the ordinary course of events, in the ordinary way, in the other, in the same way, in the shape of, in the street, in the truth, in the word, in the world, in the year, in their case, in their interest, in their own case, in their own interest, in their place, in their position, in their stead, in themselves, in these times, in these words, in this affair, in this age, in this century, in this city, in this difficulty, in this direction, in this manner, in this place, in this respect, in this world, in those, in time, in vain, in which event, in which it has been, in which it is, in which there are, in which we have been, in which you are engaged, in which you require, in your last letter, in your letter, in as much as including their income tax payers, instead of, into effect, into most, into that, into there, into this country, is it, is it likely, is it not, is it possible, is it true, is it worthwhile, is necessary, is no doubt, is no one, is not only, is not this, is that the wisest, is the matter, is the most, is this, is to, it appears to me, it can have, it certainly, it has been done, it has been said, it has been suggested, it has not been, it is well known fact, it is absolutely necessary, it is admitted, it is also, it is answered, it is as, it is believed, it is better than, it is calculated, it is certain that, it is clearly, it is considered, it is difficult, it is equal, it is expected, it is found, it is generally, it is intended, it is interesting, it is just possible, it is most probable, it is indeed, it is never, it is needed, it is never, it is no doubt, it is no longer, it is not the first time, it is nothing, it is now, it is one, it is only, it is plain, it is possible, it is rather, it is ready, it is really, it is seen, it is shown, it is show, it is so, it is something, it is sometimes, it is such, it is sufficient, it is suggested, it is taken, it is the case, it is this, it is thought, it is time, it is to be, it is true, it is truly, it is unnecessary, it is unworthy, it is well known, it is worthwhile, it is worthy, it is returned, it is wrong, it is your own, it is yours, it looks, it makes, it may not be, it may seem, it may well be, it means, it must certainly, it seems impossible, it seems probable, it should not be, it sometimes seems, it stands to reason, it surely, it was impossible, it was known, it was nothing, it will also be found, it will appear, it will found, it will be found, it will be impossible, it will be observed, it will be seen, it will be, it will never be, it will not be, it will take, it would appear, it would be something, it would have been, it would only, just a few, just after, just as, just been, just enough.